Hey, if you are suffering from pain that doesn't go away, your body could benefit from the power of light. Joining me this morning is Dr. Trond Sealand from Nauticus Laser. First of all, welcome.
Thank you,
again to you. We've been talking so much, you guys, this morning in the green room about this, and I feel like this is something that if you're watching and you're doing other things in the house, stop and sit down for just a couple of minutes, because you have some brilliant information to share about how it can help people with pain. Tell me about it.
Well, we were working with patients that were having some difficulties healing from certain things. Certain joint pains weren't resolving the way we wanted them to, and then neuropathy was a big problem for people, which is numbness, tingling, burning in certain areas of the spine or hands or feet. So we were looking for some equipment that would help us, and we found this device called the Summit Medical Laser. It's a class 4 healing laser.
Right. Okay, let's get right into it. And you want to show me and tell me how this works?
Sure. So I'm going to give you these glasses so that we protect our eyes.
Thank you.
And how this works is a little caught here. And I'll put these on too.
All right.
This is a process called photobiomodulation. And photobiomodulation is a way of stimulating the body to heal at the cellular level.
And very quickly, when we say heal, if people are thinking, okay, what do you mean exactly? Because you say this is contouring, this is losing weight, this is all different types of things that this could help.
So at Nauticus Laser, we talk about healing with the power of light. And so we're using different types of light therapy, basically lasers and low-level lasers, to stimulate healing at the cellular level. So we can use this to help people lose weight. We can help people to contour their body. It'll actually compress or contract the collagen fibers in their skin.
Wow.
Makes their fat cells more leaky, so we can help them lose weight with that. But also, this is specializing for the neuropathy and the pain that people have.
Yeah, which I think is huge. Okay, and you're going to show me how this works and what it feels like.
So people are concerned, you know, does it hurt? And when I turn it on,
ooh, it's nice and warm.
So I tell people it feels like warm sunshine on a cold winter day, which is kind of appropriate for today.
Right.
So it doesn't hurt, nothing gets burned.
No, not at all.
But the therapy is done a series of visits over a few weeks. We have doctors that work with us. We have Dr. Phil Hallett, we have Dr. Tom Wellbrook, we have Dr. Abby Wade, and myself working at Nauticus and Sealand Chiropractic to help people who are struggling with problems that aren't getting better. And using this laser is one of the best ways that we have found to help with patients.
This is so interesting to me, and I was telling Dr. Sealand that even for me, after I had my daughter, I had gotten an epidural that failed over and over again, and because of that, I am actually left, you guys, with a little bit of nerve damage in my back, on my spine, that often flares up, and it's tingly and it's numbness, and I have for years thought, when I first had her, it'll go away. But then I just think, I have to live with this. And you're telling me that's not the case.
There's hope for this. And so the technology basically increases circulation where there's poor circulation, and it stimulates the cells in the tissues of the discs and the surrounding tissues of the spine to get better naturally without drugs or surgery. And the laser can penetrate 3 to 5 centimeters into the tissues. It permeates through the bone. It heals naturally. And it's the most amazing thing that we've ever had in the practice to work with.
This is fantastic. What have you heard, what have you seen from patients who have been able to use this for problems that they've had? What are some of the stories?
We have patients that have had numbness and tingling where they have to wear like tape on the wrists because their shirts are irritating their hands. They can't feel the floor with their feet, which makes you wonder, how do they drive?
Wow.
And using the technology on the spine and on their extremities, it stimulates healing naturally, and over a period of about 6 weeks, we have about a 98% success rate in our office.
And I think that's what people want. Get rid of that surgery if you don't have to, like you said, medication if you don't have to, and heal the natural way. Where can we find you? Where can we learn more?
So we're in Fishers, Indiana. So we're on Allisonville Road, just south of 116th Street. And you'll see there's a building, and it says in big letters, Nauticus, which is Latin for vessel. So this is your vessel, this is my vessel, and we're using the power of light to help heal people's bodies when they were lost. Yeah, heal those bodies, those minds too, and help them move forward. Thank you so much. Appreciate your time. We'll put all of this information, their contact info, on our website, indystyle.tv. But Anessa, I love how he relates and says, you know, your body is your vessel. We each have our own vessels and are in charge of making them the best that we can. And if that incorporates healing, making us have our best lives for sure. Oh, what a
true message. You guys, I've only been Amber's official co-host for 2 weeks. This is the first time I've had segment envy. Amber, that was so neat. I want to try it. You guys come back and see us soon, okay? Someone who we all envy and his love for donuts and how he predicts the weather so accurately. Randy Ollish joins us now with more. Hey, Randy.
Wait, Nessa, I could use that on my feet. I was glued to everything he was saying right there, so I could probably benefit from that tremendously.
Come on over, okay?
I should do that here.